If you're wondering how you can turn off the orange dot on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. So why the orange dot appears on the screen? The orange dot appears when an app on your iPhone uses the microphone. So it shows an orange dot at the top of the screen to notify you that an app is using the microphone. Now sometimes this orange dot appears while you're on the home screen or when you're not using an app that requires the microphone access. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just swipe up and go to the Recent Apps section, and from here just close all the apps which are running in the background. Sometimes an app might be using the microphone in the background, so that is why the orange dot appears on the screen. And by closing the apps in the background, the orange dot will disappear from the screen. But if this did not fix your issue, then you can try the next method. For that, just go to Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. On this page, you will find the option of microphone. Just tap on it, and over here you will find all the apps which have the access to use the microphone of your iPhone. Now just turn off the access to the microphone for any suspicious app which you don't want to have the access to the microphone. And after you do that, the selected app will not be able to use the microphone of your iPhone. But if this also did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can turn off the orange dot on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.